day trading strategy with a 70% probability. That is going to be the topic of today's special video for touching 1,50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. As I promised earlier, once I touch 1,50,000 subscribers, I'll make special video, and I said I'll share one of my favorite day trading setup. So that is what I'm going to discuss in this video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about one of my favorite trading setup which has almost 70% of probability. So let us discuss what is that setup all about. The strategy which I'm going to discuss now is based on a concept called initial balance. This strategy based on initial balance of the day. So before I start with the presentation, let me just brief what actually this initial balance is. Initial balance is first 1 hour of the day. So market opens at 9:15, so that means it's about the high and low of first 1 hour between 9:15 to 10:15. That is known as initial balance of the day. So this strategy is going to be based on initial balance high and initial balance low. So what are the advantage of this setup? What are the advantage of this strategy is, first one is, if you are new to trading, you are thinking about taking up day trading, but you are confused what strategy you should try, then you can try with this strategy because it's one of the very simple strategy. You don't need any additional software or nothing, just a simple chart is enough. If you are new to trading, you can also start with this strategy. Second one is, this strategy is also useful for people who are into full-time job. If you are into full-time job and you can't watch the screen throughout the day, then this strategy for you, because you don't have to be in front of your monitor. Third advantage of this setup is, this setup happens very frequently because this strategy especially happens on sideways day. Whenever market stays sideways, such time you should apply this strategy, not on trending day. This strategy can work only when market stays sideways. This strategy can't work when market is in trending. So you should remember, most of the time market stays sideways. Very rarely it happens that market goes in a trend. So that means you will very regularly you will see this setup on your chart. Even a new trader can use it. People who are into full-time job, they can use it, and this strategy works very frequently in day trading. So these are the advantage of this setup based on initial balance of the day. What is the initial balance? What are the rules you have to follow? Everything I'll show you with the chart, where you have to take the trade, where you have to keep stop loss, where you have to take profit. Everything I'll be discussing in my presentation. So without wasting much time, let's move to the presentation and let us start with the strategy which has a almost 70% of probability. Okay, now first let us see what are the rules for this initial balance strategy. What are the rules you need to follow? First one, only wide initial balance should be considered. What is the wide initial balance? First of all, what is the initial balance? Initial balance I already discussed. Initial balance is first 1 hour high and low, right? So 9:15 market opens. So what is the first 1 hour till 10:50? So you have to mark high and low of first 1 hour, 9:15 to 10:15. That is what initial balance is. Only wide initial balance should be considered. So what does that mean? For example, market opens 9:15, first candle 9:20, 9:25, 9:30, like this. First to 1 hour, so total 12 candles, right? If it's a 5 minutes time frame, so it is going to be 12 candle. So 11, 12. Okay, so total there are 12 candles. What is the initial balance high and low? This is the initial balance low. This is the initial balance high, right? So this is not a wide initial balance. This is called as a narrow IB or a narrow initial balance. So if you see initial balance is very narrow, then you should not take the trade. Okay, what I mentioned, only wide initial balance. What is a wide initial balance? Wide initial balance is like this: 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 30, 35. So total how many? 12 candles. So this is known as wide initial balance. This is the lower initial balance, IBL, IBH. So how much is the initial balance? Look at this, very wide. So this is what I consider as a wide IB or a wide initial balance. So this is what I was saying about only wide initial balance should be considered. So there is no exact points I can say how much is wide. So in Nifty normally I consider around 100 points, approximate 100 points. That is what I say it could be wide initial balance. Only applicable on sideways days, not on trending day. If you don't know what is the sideways day, what is the trending day, let me explain it. Sideways days market will be like this. Okay, entire day market will be like this. This is called sideways days market. What is the trending day? I said not on trending day. Trending day means market opens here, it keeps going up. Entire day market will be in like this trend. It will go in a trend. It can be uptrend or it can be downtrend. This is also called trending day. Market keeps going up or keeps going down. On such days, trending day, you should not apply this strategy. Okay, so only on sideways days it is applicable. So that means you should know. So you should be able to analyze today is going to be sideways days or today is going to be trending day. That much analysis you should do if you want to apply this strategy. Okay, strictly not on trending day. Applicable only Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, I seen this working very well in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In the stocks, I am not back tested, so I'm not sure about the stocks. I'm not sure about the commodities, forex and all. But Nifty, Bank Nifty, it can work very well. Last point is very important. Risk reward is 1:2 is a must. Any strategy in the world you can try it. Any strategy you can try. If you don't follow risk reward, you will not make money in trading. Only way to make money in trading, you should follow at least 1:2 risk reward. What I mean by that, that means risk should be just 1% of your capital, reward should be at least 2%. That means risk should be at least 1%, reward should be at least 2% of your capital. Or if you have risked 50 points in this strategy, then you should aim for reward of 100 points. That is what also known as 1:2 risk reward. Or if your stop loss is 100 points, if your risk 100 points, then you should aim for 200. Whatever you have taken the risk, reward should be double. That is what known as risk reward. So it should be 1:2. Let me explain it in much better way. For example, you see that, oh, today is a very wide initial balance. You have seen very wide initial balance. Now you have marked the initial balance high, initial balance low, right? Then you see that market is coming back to the initial balance low after some time and you want to take a long trade, your stop loss should be here. Okay, this is how much, say around 50 points, say around 50 points. Okay, just an example, stop loss is 50 points, then you should be aim for at least 100 points profit. That means risk is 1%, reward is 2%. That is what known as risk reward in trading. Now let us see some charts. Now let us see this chart. This is the 4th November chart. 4th November is yesterday, because I am shooting this video on 5th of November 2020. Yesterday was 4th November, and if you remember what happened yesterday, market opened here. This is the Nifty, and Nifty went almost 100 points in first 1 hour. That is what wide initial balance. 1 hour, what I said, initial balance. 1 hour mean this all 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this all 5 minutes time frame. So how many candles for 1 hour? 12 candles, right? So you should consider 12 candles for initial balance if you are trading with 5 minutes time frame. So now let us see where is 12th candle. Candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the 12th candle. So what is the high and low? This is the high of the first 1 hour. This is the low of the first 1 hour. So this is what known as 1 hour high and low. This is what you can consider because it is initial balance is very wide. You can see that almost 100 points, right? So it's a wide initial balance. Now what you will do? Now you will look for either candle to come to the wide initial balance high. This is the IB high. initial balance high, and this is the initial balance low, right? So you will short here. When price comes and retest the initial balance high, you can short, and you can keep your stop loss somewhere here, maybe around 50 points. What I said, you should take profit at least 100 points. That should be your goal. Okay, so if you're shorted here, your stop loss did not hit, market came down, and you made 100 points profit, and you followed 1:2 risk reward, and you made profit in this trade, right? You shorted here near the IBH, and somewhere here you made already profit. But remember, when you're taking the initial balance high trade, if you want to short, you need some confirmation candle. If you want to short, what is the confirmation candle? Candle should be bearish, right? You can't short bullish candle here. So candle has to be bearish. So can you see that it's making a doji, then it started making bearish small candles. So somewhere here you can short, okay? And you made a profit yesterday if you are traded based on wide initial balance. Now what is the initial balance low? You can see that this is the initial balance low, right? Market started coming down near the initial balance, but there is no bullish candle. Now it has to be bullish candle. If you want to go long, you need a bullish candle near the initial balance low, but it's a bearish candle, so you will not go long here. If you want to go long, you can go long on this candle, okay? Not this candle, this candle, because once it closed above the initial balance low, now you can go long, okay? Now you can go long on this candle, stop loss maybe below that candle, take profit, either double of whatever the stop loss you have taken or back to the day's high. That is how you should trade based on initial balance. Now let us see a few more examples. This is the November 1st chart. November 1st also you can see that market opened first candle here. Where is the 12th candle? Where is the first 1 hour high and low? 1 hour high is this one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the 12th candle. This is the IBH. This is the IBL. Initial balance high and low. So you can see that it did not exactly came near the initial balance low. Just a few points before it bounced. Now, if you want, you can take the long trade near the initial balance low. And again, if you want to short, where you will short? You should short near the IBH, initial balance high. But do you see any bearish candle to short here? There is no bearish candle, so you will not short here, okay? You will not short here because there are bullish candles. You can see that next, after some time, candle started coming down. If you want, you can short this candle. This candle you can short. This is the October 29th chart, Nifty chart again, okay? Wide initial balance, first candle low is here, 12th candle high is somewhere here. So what is the IBH? IBH and IBL. What I told you that if the candle comes back to the IBH, if there is no bearish candle, you should not short. This is a bullish candle. You will not short this. Why? You will not short because it's a bullish candle. You should wait for bearish candle. Which candle you will short? This is the candle you will short, right? This is the candle you short. Now what happened after that? This is the IBL. This is the IBH, right? IBH you shorted. IBL, what I said, you should look for the bullish candle. Now let us see when price came back to the IBL. Is there any bullish candle? Yes. This is the candle. You can go long because near the initial balance low, it made a bullish candle. This is the candle you should go long. First candle, second candle reversed. So where is the 12th candle? This is the first candle. This is the 12th candle. So what is the IBH? Initial balance high and initial balance low. So it's a wide initial balance. So now you will take trade near the high and low. Where you will take the trade? Where you will short now? You will wait for either price to come to the day's low or near the day's high. And you want confirmation candle, right? This is the candle you short near the IBH. Had price came here, now you could have gone long, but it didn't come here. So it came here, you shorted here, it went till here. You must have kept your stop loss somewhere here, stop loss, entry here, right? Look at this. This is your stop loss. This is your take profit. Already you made 1:2 risk reward. This is, I think, again October 14th. There are two back-to-back wide initial balance. October 13th and 14th both had a wide initial balance. Look at the first candle. Where is the 12th candle? Somewhere here is the 12th candle. What is the initial balance high? This is the IBH. This is the IBL. Right? You have marked the high and low. Wait for price to come to the initial balance low. Take a long trade here. Keep your stop loss somewhere here. And you made profit. You booked your profit. Again, price came, retested that initial balance low, and finally it gave a big profit, right? But when it came to the initial balance high, what happened? It made a bearish candle. You shorted this candle expecting market to go down, and you kept your stop loss somewhere here. Your stop loss hit, right? Your stop loss hit here. Here you made a big profit. At the initial balance low, you made a big profit. Initial balance high, your stop loss hit. So this trade failed, this trade worked. In this trade, how much profit you made? You made it 2% of your capital. Here, how much you lost? I said you should risk only 1%, right? You lost here, you gained here. Overall, how much profit you made? 1%. Can you see the benefit of risk reward in trading? Even though one trade works, one trade fails, since you follow 1:2 risk reward, still you can end up with 1% profit. So that is what trading is. That is why trading, they say, only way you can make money if you follow risk reward. So this is also wide initial balance on October 13th. And you can see that again it came back to the initial balance low, and again it made a bounce and gave you profit. Even near the initial balance high also it reversed. Okay, now what about the narrow initial balance? What you should do if the initial balance is narrow? What I told you about the initial balance, what I said, sometimes there can be a narrow initial balance. Narrow initial balance like this. Look at the first candle high. Where is the 12th candle? This is the 12th candle. Where is the high and low? This is the IBH. Initial balance high, initial balance low. Look at the range. Small range, right? So that is what called as narrow initial balance. Even though it worked here, you can see that it reversed from the initial balance high. It took the support at the initial balance low and finally breakout. Okay. So narrow initial balance day also it can work, but I don't prefer whenever initial balance is very narrow. I like this kind of initial balance, wide initial balance. Where is the first 1 hour low? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Somewhere here you can see that initial balance high, IBH and IBL, right? So very wide initial balance, you can see that. You can see that very wide initial balance. So in such case, you can short near the IBH or go long near the IBL. So that's it about the how to trade on the days whenever initial balance is very wide. Okay, now you have seen how simple a strategy can be. So strategy doesn't have to be complicated. Even simple strategy also can work. This strategy I said almost 70% of probability. That means this strategy have more than 50%. In trading, remember, any strategy works 50% of the time. That is enough to become a profitable trader, provided you follow risk reward. So that means risk reward is important whatever the strategy you follow. That is the only way one can make money in trading. If you follow risk reward, minimum 1:2 and minimum 50% of win rate, that is enough to become a profitable trader. Even after sharing this strategy, I am sure that 90% of the traders still they fail to take use of this strategy. Still they struggle even after knowing this simple strategy. What is the reason? Because people don't follow risk reward in trading. People don't follow rules. People don't know how to control emotion during live market. They don't know that 50% win rate with 1:2 risk reward enough to make profit. That means what happens when they take the trade? If the trade going in that direction, they will immediately cut their profit. They will not wait for profit to become big. They will not take profit where they were supposed to take. Small profit they book and they feel happy. They feel satisfied. They feel very proud about themselves that they made a profit today in trading. But same time, when trade doesn't work, if they have taken the trade, they taken the trade at the initial balance low, expecting it to go up, but instead of going up, that trade is reversing, then what they will do? They will not take the stop loss. They will have a hope that market will again reverse and they will make profit. So market keep going down, they keep averaging it, finally they end up with a big loss. That means their profit will be very small, their losses will be very big. Profit will be very small, losses will be big. So that is how new trader, they fail to make money in trading. So that is why you should do opposite. That means your losses should be smaller, profit should be bigger. That means you should follow risk reward. Whenever trade is not working, cut your losing trades quickly. When trade is working, make your profit big. Don't keep any hope that it will reverse, again I'll make profit. That is why they say in trading, hope is only for hopeless people. So hope doesn't work here. Only thing works, risk reward in trading. So guys, this is one of my favorite day trading setup, day trading strategy. So I'm not saying this is my only favorite setup in day trading. I have other favorite setup patterns also. Total I discuss 15 day trading patterns and strategies in my day trading webinar. So in my day trading webinar, I discussed total 15 patterns and strategies. So this is the one of the setup which I discuss in my webinar about taking trade at days high, days low based on initial balance. So if you are interested to join my day trading webinar and want to learn all 15 patterns and strategies, then go below this video in the description, click that day trading webinar link and go through the details. If you are interested to join my day trading webinar, then you can contact me on WhatsApp or email and you can enroll for my upcoming webinar. If you want to learn swing trading, even I have a swing trading course which I have given the link below this video. If you are interested, you can purchase my swing trading course. So that's it guys, that's about today's special video on touching 1,50,000 subscribers, where I discussed about one day trading setup which have almost 70% probability. If you have liked this video, then hit that like button and share it with your trading communities. So very soon I'll come back with a new video, and thanks for watching my video, thanks for supporting my YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best in your trading career.